President Trump is suing the IRS and Treasury Department in his personal capacity for $10 billion, alleging the IRS failed to take the necessary steps to prevent his tax records from being leaked to the press. In his lawsuit filed yesterday, Mr. Trump and his two sons, Don Jr. and Eric, claimed the agencies caused reputational and financial harm, public embarrassment, and unfairly tarnished their business reputations. Back in 2024, a former IRS contractor was sentenced to 5 years in prison after pleading guilty to leaking the tax records to the New York Times. The suit raising major questions about conflicts of interest given the president controls the IRS and Treasury Department. Neither agency responded to requests for comment, and today, President Trump ignored questions from reporters about the matter. Joining me now is former U.S. Attorney and an NBC News legal analyst, Carol Lam. Great to see you, Carol. Thanks so much for being here. So the president is suing the Treasury Department in his personal capacity, but could that still potentially be seen as a conflict of interest?
Hi, Kristen. Well, sure, there's a very, very clear conflict of interest here because, as we now know, the president can hire and fire the heads of the IRS and the Treasury Department at will. So where does that leave us? You know, this is a lawsuit that was filed on the very, very last day that the president could file this lawsuit, even arguably, because the statute of limitations for filing a civil law the IRS under this statute is only 2 years. He doesn't have a really great argument for waiting so long. He claims he only got official notice of this leak from the IRS on January 29th of 2024. But I mean, let's face it, he's known about this since 2020 at least. So it's not a very good argument. And there are lots of good defenses to this lawsuit. And the $10 billion, that's just media attention. I mean, there's no real basis for the $10 billion that he claims are a loss of reputation. That's just a big figure he wanted to put out there. But the real question, as you point out, is who is going to defend this case. It would usually be some group of lawyers between the Justice Department and IRS and Treasury, but they all report to President Donald Trump. So, you know, where does it go from here? And precedent for a judge, a federal judge, to appoint somebody to represent the defendants if he feels or she feels that there is not an adversarial relationship because there is such a conflict of interest, and that's where we might go here.
Well, Carol, let me ask you, because what kind of a precedent would this set if the Treasury Department did wind up paying out $10 billion to the sitting president?
Of course, that's a terrible precedent, and we've seen that sort of situation before. For example, with the Eric Adams prosecution, where the Department of Justice was instructed, or the line prosecutors were instructed to drop the case against Eric Adams, the mayor of New York, so that you know, the Trump administration could kind of keep him on a line to do its bidding with respect to immigration, and the judge did hire an outside lawyer to come in and represent the independence of the Justice Department here. That's very, very unusual. I mean, almost never happens. So it would be a terrible precedent, because what could happen here is that there could be a settlement behind closed doors, and taxpayer money could be paying President Trump for something that is a highly defensible case here. But I will add that he has already lost what he was hoping to get, a sympathetic judge in the Southern District of Florida. I mean, there's not really a great reason to file this case in Florida. He was, for the most part, a resident of New York, and often these cases are filed either in New York or Washington, D.C., where the tax returns were filed. He was undoubtedly hoping he would get a very conservative judge who would be sympathetic to him. He did not get that. He got a judge who was appointed by Democrats, and it's important in this kind of case because lawsuits against federal agencies are generally heard not by a jury, but by the judge. And so the judge is the fact finder. So there are certain wins that are not going in President Trump's favor at this point.
All right. Well, I know that you and we will be tracking this very closely. Carol Lam, thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.